The guy! Ah! That ain't my fucking mess. Oh yeah, not that I really give a fuck.
Little hole. See
That
it?
one, yep.
See it? See it? Are you doing good?
I don't know.
You blind too?
Oh, I see. Send. Oh, look right at the flash. Oh, yeah, lighting. We're good. Look at that. This is how easy you can LS swap. Just do that. Just do that.
Whip it up.
Whip it up. Easy. 5 minutes.
Close your eyes and it's fucking done, man.
Just big old boop.
You're losing your skip shift, man.
You're gonna have to hit all the gears, bro.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna make fuel economy, dude. You're gonna have to fucking.
No fuel economy. You're gonna be poor.
Peter's gonna be fucking pissed when they find out about this. She looks fucking good to me, boys. Let's go fucking drifting. Fucking drift car ready.
Figured it out.
Fuck.
So LS swap fucking day 11. Pretty easy, right?
Fuck, day 11?
No, it's
like day 7 or...
It's the third day of the LS swap. We got the motor in.
It's day 11 if you count the fact I don't sleep and I've been working 20 hours a day on it, but that doesn't count because y'all got the same 24 hours I do.
it's true.
No excuses.
Hey, girl.
We cover our welds and wrap around this bitch. Oh, don't film up there. Jesus Christ.
Tony's making it look like I know what I'm doing. I'm spilling gas everywhere. Oh, that's going in my engine.
Oh.
Boy, he's like, no.
You.
No.
So Buddy's filterless send unit with this piece of straw in it was not great. If you can see the drip,
All of it.
it's gross.
Until it comes clean.
That's no good. Bro, this is nasty. Yeah.
Yeah, that is not good.
Oh man.
Bleaching ass. That is kind of fumey though, and I'm getting fucking cigarette smoke in my fucking eye right now.
Here, can take it for you if you want.
No, I got this, Tony. I put myself into this predicament.
Power's left, ground is right.
Oh. Yeah, 50. Oh wow, that was almost dead on though, but.
Alright, we're doing good to run. Most of the garbage is hooked up. Hook it up right now. Orange one is key on power for ECM. LS starting, take 1 of 35.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Fuck yeah, bitches! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Woo! You should try that for longer and make sure that it's actually gonna run.
Try it again. BMW, isn't it, Colton? Oh!